So I tried to start some seeds a while back, and I was going to do a grow station so that way I could get the right light to have the seeds to start off right. Life happens and they got a little leggy. So I need to go to Home Depot and get some tools and some materials so that way I can show you how to build a growing station to prevent your seeds from getting leggy. So in this video, we're going to show you how to build a grow station for your seed starting. And we're going to start right now. What's going on YouTube gardening? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Garden channel. Hopefully after watching this video you're going to learn how to build a nice cheap grow station for your seedling starts. Now the reason why I wanted to do this video was for the simple fact when I first got into this apartment I wanted to start some seeds, and life happens and job happens where I wasn't able enough to get grow light on here, and so they became a little bit leggy on me. So what I'm going to do is show you how to build this nice grow station so that way you can add some lights onto here, and we'll be able to get the perfect seedlings for you to have a nice hardy stem and a nice foundation for your root system. This is a perfect system for anyone that's in a apartment life and want to start to grow anything. We're going to do a series on this. This is the first part series of doing a grow station. All right, so I think we got everything set up. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the T's. Put these all together. Then we're going to do the elbows. And with these, you want to make sure that you have everything lined up. Put our 20-inch pieces right here. Good to go. We'll do our 24-inch long pieces. So we got that all good. Get our T there. 24-inch piece. And here we're going to add our T at the halfway point. as you can see, this is very nice and sturdy. You don't have to worry about it really tipping over. And you can put these nice little bootstrap farmer trays right up in there, and then you can hang your lights. Next, we're gonna show you how we're gonna hang our lights. But as you can see, you got your 20-inch longs here. We get your 90s. We got your 24-inch longs here, and that will make sure you're able to have your trays nice and snug in there. You can put we'll put the other tray up right up in here. And I like these bootstrap farmer trays because, as you can see, you're able to do this with one hand. And I basically love bootstrap farmer trays. They've been nice, durable. They come with a 2-year warranty. As you can see, your 10-20 trays will fit nice in here. You have room to put some stuff in there. You even have some room if you want to put like some 4-inch trays or 4-inch pots right up in there. So I like this. Next, we're going to show you how to install your lights to go on top of these racks right here. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so now we got the trays, the lights set up. So I have this on top of here to kind of give me an idea where the chain needs to be drilled at. We're going to use a drill bit to put a hole up in there. There's different ways you can attach this light to the system. You can just use the chain system or the zip ties, however way you want to do it. I like using this method because I feel like it's worked for us for a year now, and so we're just going to keep on going. So what I normally do is I just give a rough about area where I need to drill at, and then I'll set the drill, put it in there, and then I'll use these hooks that you can get that comes with it, that you could probably pull into the drywall or whatever it need to be. I'll put it in here and then up into the PVC pipe, and then I'll strap it into there. If you like these type of videos and you're new to here and want to learn more about apartment life, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're going to do a series so that way you can learn about how to grow if you're interested in growing into apartment life. If you're in the apartment life, whether you have a patio, a balcony, or none of that whatsoever, that way you can learn how to grow and grow what you eat, and that way you know where your food comes from. So we're going to go ahead and grow and drill up into here. Move this out the way. All right, so we got that all drilled in. The good thing about dry fitting this, not using any type of glue, is you don't have to worry about flipping it and all that other stuff. So now we're gonna just slide this in. Put that in there. Make sure it's strapped. Now the next step is just to plug it in. What we have at the house, we use Alexa and SmartThings. So when we and we have it on the timer. So if and it's good to have your lights on the timer because you want to roughly have it anywhere from 8 to 12 hours to get the right light when your seeds are starting up, and you want to have them anywhere from 2 to 4 inches above your growing medium, so that way it will produce a nice light and lumens for your seedlings to start up, and so that way they won't become so leggy. This would have definitely helped out with my seedlings when I first started this out because they wouldn't have became so leggy. So I'm going to show you how bright these are, and you want to put them, like I said, you will put them on a timer so that way they automatically grow. We use Alexa because even if, like say for instance, we're away and we forgot to put the lights on or anything of that nature, all we have to do is say the keyword of and just tell her to turn on grow lights or turn off grow lights, whatever you name your plug for. So let's plug this up, turn them on, and you can see how bright they are. And the good thing about this is you can raise them however high that you need to be at. And some of these, if you want to do, just keep them inside. If you're in an apartment life, you can make these actually about 48 inches. The reason why I had these at 20 inches, because this chain right here is 14 inches. So that gives you some lead room to get, close to that, close as a surface as possible. But now we do some other videos of growing into the apartment way of life. We'll put a playlist above. If you have some friends or family members that are interested in growing, make sure you share this video with them. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Until the next video, let's grow together.